can now see the size 11 and above.
Moumirira ma kigeranio gya KCPE kia mwaka wa 2021 matingirekire gutari na ndereti ya kana kigeranio giki ni kiragumirwo ni wuici. Na minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha augite ati igeranio cia gibururi cikoragwo cigitiretwo wega ũ ati gutiri mundu ungihota kuhingura kigeranio ona muthenya umwe mbere ya gikairwo.
The container system which we picked after I went around African countries, and we picked it in Uganda, has been watertight. The exam cannot leak. Whoever says the exam has leaked, show us the paper the day before.
No ona kuhana uguo Magoha ni aithurite ati ni kurari na njama ya kwenda kuiya kigeranio giki na kuri aria marakuruhanirio na njama ya muthemba ucio. Magoha ehitite ati matikwirisha gutungana na maruru ma watho.
We had 320 candidates who were attempting to collude in 7 examination centers. There will be a price to pay by each of those 320 candidates, and the exam administrators in those 7 centers are going to be severely admonished in the usual manner.
Magoha augite ati igeria ria wuici uyu rirakuruhania uhuthiri wa thimu na aria marekuirwo ni makinyitio igoti-ini guku kanjwa igeranio guku bururi-ini NEC ikiuga ati ni ikoretwo yambite mitaratara mikinyaniru ya gutigirira ciiko cia wuici ni ciacoka thi.
Because I think it is a criminal offense to confuse a youngster who is very intelligent. You want to send things in a phone when he's already inside and thinking. Some of them were caught colluding. Yes. Our law says if you catch a child colluding in primary school, for that subject the child gets 0. So that will bring the marks down.
The innovations NEC put in place have yielded gains towards effective examination administration.
Kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC rungu rwa murugamiriri munene Nancy Macharia yugite ati ni hariirie gutuga arutani aria maranyitiriire mutaratara wa igeranio no kuri aria marakuruhanirio na njama o yothe ya wuici wa kigeranio nimakwoerwo makinya.
The TSC will act firmly and expeditiously on those teachers who will be found guilty of aiding in examination irregularities.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa gutiri.